In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Pagefly for Shopify in just 5 minutes. Let's get started, shall we? First things first, we're going to head over to Shopify. If you're not already familiar with Shopify, it's a comprehensive platform that allows you to create, manage, and customize an online store. Go ahead and navigate your browser to the Shopify homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the login button, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and proceed to enter your login credentials. If you don't have a Shopify account yet, you'll need to set one up to proceed. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Shopify home. This is the hub of your store operations, where you can manage everything from sales to inventory. Now, on the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for the Settings option. It's usually towards the bottom of the sidebar. Clicking this will open up a variety of settings that you can use to customize your online store experience. Within the Settings menu, go ahead and click on Apps and Sales Channels. This is an important section where you can manage all the applications and sales channels linked to your store. Shopify's app ecosystem is vast, offering numerous tools to enhance your store's functionality. From here, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify App Store, which is a treasure trove of additional functionalities you can add to your store. Alright, once you're in the Shopify App Store, use the search bar to look for Pagefly. Pagefly is a powerful page builder app that can help you create customized landing pages with ease. It's perfect for users who want to create unique pages without needing to learn complex coding. After you've typed Pagefly into the search bar, hit enter, and you should see the Pagefly landing page builder come up in the results. When you see it, go ahead and click on Pagefly landing page builder. This will take you to the app's main page, where you can learn more about its features and pricing options before installing. If you're satisfied with what you see, look for the Install button. Clicking on this initiates the installation process. You may be asked to give permissions to the app, so make sure you review these carefully to ensure you're comfortable with the access you're granting. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Pagefly for Shopify. Now you're ready to start building dynamic, engaging landing pages for your store. Get creative and explore the various templates and tools Pagefly has to offer. Thanks for tuning in, and happy page building.